This one is the smooth one here. Yes, and look at the gram. Right? There, 1 pint, 13 there, kilogram. That's the weight. Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to Self-Care Official. I'm here in the store looking at nuts, guys. Let me give you a 360. This is what the stores look like, and I'm in the aisle here. Yes, used store it is. So we're gonna look at nuts, guys. And I want you to comment in the comment section and tell me which one of the nuts you love. Yes. So here, guys, I'm looking at the almond nuts. Not almond nuts, but almond butter, guys. Guys, listen. I so love almond butter. Delicious, I'm telling you. On my biscuit, on my bread. Delicious. And this is the creamy almond butter. And look at the price, guys. $8.99 plus tax, and this is the original price, guys. $1,033.85, right? And in Jamaica here, $1 is $1.50, so you can do the maths right there, right? Delicious almond nuts. And here we have peanut butter, guys. I so love peanut butter. Woo! And this is the crunchy one. Hey, I so love peanut butter, especially the crunchy one. Delicious on my bread, on my biscuit. Yeah, crunchy peanut butter it is. Yum, 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 yum. And this one is the crunchy, and they had the smooth. Yes, there is the smooth here. This one is the smooth. So love peanut butter, guys. This one is the smooth one here. Yes, and look at the gram. Right? There, 1 pint, 13 there, kilogram. That's the weight. Yes. And we have the hazelnut, guys. I so love hazelnut, guys. Woo! Hazelnut. Right? Hazelnut spread with cocoa. Guys, delicious. And this is the price. So all of them are the same price. Yes, that's the price, the original price. This is the price before tax, and this is the price after tax. Love hazelnut, guys. Love hazelnut. Delicious. Yes, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section which of these nuts do you love. I love all three. Delicious.